Here's a 2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, voice-activated climate controls, streaming audio, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, 4-wheel drive, and LED low and high beam headlights. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,